हेलो डियर जोहार, आपकी पाठशाला यूट्यूब चैनल वेलकम्स यू. वी आर हियर विद a social science model question paper with objective type. There are 30 questions which are very important for your exam. So what are they? So let's see. These questions are very important and very selective questions, so don't forget to watch full video, right? So let's start with first question. What are this is the first question. The Italy and Germany currently fall under which continent? So your answer will become Europe. So Italy and Germany currently fall under Europe continent, right? So second question is that who was defeated in the Greek War of Independence? So your answer will become, this is the Turkey. Turkey was defeated in the Greek War Independence, right? So question number third is, which was called the cradle of European civilization? Question number third, this is the Yunnan. The the old name of Yunnan is Greece. So here uh, option number D is Greece, right? So question number 4, what was the European patient called? What was the European patient called? So Turkey. So Turkey is the European patient. Question number 4, answer will option number C, Turkey. Question number 5. Question number 5, what type of governance was established in France after the revolution of 1830? Right? So absolute monarchy is the government established in France after revolution of 1830. So answer will be option number 1. So question number 6 is, from which event is the concept of nationalism considered to be born? Right? So this is the answer. Answer is option number A, resonance. Resonance is the correct answer. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is when is International Women's Day celebrated? When is International Women's celebrated? So International Women's Day celebrated on 8 March, right? International Women's Day celebrated on 8 March. Question number 8. What is called the Bible of Socialist? What is called the Bible of Socialist, right? So Das Capital is called the Bible of Socialist. So answer is option number A. Question number 9. This is, why was the Rowlatt Act passed? Why was the Rowlatt Act passed, right? So answer is to curb revolutionary activities. To curb revolutionaries activities, right? So answer number 1 is correct. Question number 10, who founded Arya Samaj? So uh, Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj. So option D is correct. In which country did the Industrial Revolution take place for the first time? So question number 11. So answer is option number A, England, right? England is the country where the first time Industrial Revolution take place, right? So question number 12. In which state is uh, traced agriculture prevalent? Traced agriculture prevalent. So question number 12. So answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, right? Your answer is Uttarakhand. Terraced agriculture is in Uttarakhand. Which is the largest iron producing state of India? This is the Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the largest iron producing state of India. So next question number 14, which mineral has been considered the mother of industries? So answer is iron. Iron is considered the mother of industries. Iron mineral has been considered the mother of industries. So option C will be correct. Option question number 15, which soil is the most fertile? Which soil is most fertile? So alluvium soil is most fertile. Question number 16, where is World Environment Day celebrated? So answer is 5th June, right? Question number 17, what type of resource is coal? What type of resource is coal? So answer is non-renewable. Non-renewable source is the coal is the non-renewable sources of energy. So question number 18, on which river is the Bhakra Nangal project? In which river the Bhakra Nangal project located? Bhakra Nangal project किस नदी के किनारे स्थित है? So your answer is Satluj, right? So option number C will be correct. Question number 19, which of the following is a rabi crop? So answer is wheat, right? Paddy is kharif crop. Next question 20, what is shifting agriculture called in Jharkhand? So shifting agriculture, what is called in Jharkhand, right? So this is called kurua. In Jharkhand, the shifting agriculture is known as kurua. Next question is, in which of these institutions 50% reservation has been provided to women? So answer is institution of local panchayati raj. Firstly, there are 33% of reservation of women's, so it will increase by 50%. So it is increased by 50%. So answer become B. What is called the financial capital of India? It is known as Mumbai, right? So Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Question number 23, in a federal system the government is, this question, what is the answer? So please write your answer in the comment box. This question is for you, so please write this correct answer in the comment box. I am waiting for your response. Question number 24, is kept in the concurrent list, is kept in the concurrent list. So both center and state are kept in the concurrent list. Question number 25, the main types of economies are, there are three main types of economies, right? Question number 26, 1 rupee note is issued by the central government. 1 rupee note is issued by the central government. Option number A will be correct. So Niti Aayog was established in India. In which year? So answer is 2015. In 2015, Niti Aayog was established in India. Question number 28, which sector is called tertiary sector? So answer is service sector is known as, is called tertiary sector. Question number 29, an important part of economic structure is, right? So transport and communication is the important part of the economic structure. So last question of this video is, animal husbandry and fisheries are part of which sector? This is the primary sector part, right? So primary sector is the correct answer. So I think ki, I hope it is clear, and I hope ki you will like to enjoy, or you are enjoying to uh, watching the video. So let's see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.